Squeezing it. Squeeze it.
It's a pretty view. It looks pretty, but the smell. How's that smell?
We're gonna go up to Tennessee Hunting Club for the youth hunt and hopefully kill us a big gobbler.
Alright, so we're going to practice a little bit before the morning, so just wanted everybody to see I'm a quadruple checking. There's nothing in the magazine, there's nothing in the chamber. The gun is absolutely empty, and I'm going to dry fire it where she can feel the trigger squeeze. We're going to set this up and we're going to let her practice pulling that trigger and aiming a few times.
There you go.
At a pretend turkey head over here. So in the morning when that turkey comes out, she'll make a good shot.
Turkeys.
Yeah. It jumped the fence down.
Yeah.
I watched it.
Alright, so back to our update. It's pouring down rain out there, thunder and lightning. We've had 5, maybe 6 birds gobbling this morning. One started way before daylight. Over here to our left, he's the closest one to us, but and gobbles the most. But maybe me not calling during the rain will you can come this way, but just letting up a little bit. But there's several all around us. They gobbled really good all morning. They have, so I'm really surprised nothing's come out here yet in this open, especially with the rain. So maybe patience will pay off. We'll see.
What do you want it to do?
I like to stay right here.
Be still. swing it that way. He's gonna come this way if he comes. You can see him now. Gotta be able to see him now. Alright, baby, if you can, anytime you can get on him, you can shoot him, okay? Towards it. Alright, they should be getting close, pretty close to him. Okay, be still. Okay, he's gonna walk right in front of you, baby. See if you can get on him. Get on him. Baby, can you see him? Are you on him? Are you? You on his head? On his neck? Got it lined up real good. Kill him. Squeeze it. Kill him, baby. You're not on him? Okay, baby, you gotta get on him and kill him, okay? Get the beat on him, sweetie. Stay down on the gun and get the beat on him. Have you got it lined up? Have you got it lined up? Line it up on his head, baby. Which way does it need to go? Is it on his head? Okay. Alright, there's no more behind him. Alright, it's clear. You see him. Okay, just aim below the white part. Okay, just aim below the white part. Can you see him now? Can you see him, baby? Is the beat on him? Okay. Kill him when you're ready. Kill him when you're ready. I got the gun. Okay, kill him. Kill him, baby. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Kill him, sweetie. Kill him, sweetie. Are you squeezing it? Squeeze it.
Well, I kept saying things to you and I wasn't getting a response from you. I was like, hey, say yes instead of shaking your head. And you shook your head. Oh my goodness. Well, there's a dead bird. There's the shooter. Good job. How about that? It is pouring down rain out there. Thunder and lightning.
Oh, we're gonna wait until the storm goes.
We're gonna wait till the storm goes by.
With the turkey.
With a turkey. Yeah. is Ellie's bird in the shooting house with us. Because it's lightning.
Yeah.
Great job, sweetie. I would film you, but I want to hold him still. Let's there's his beard. Soaking wet.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at them spurs.
Yeah.
I felt one of them spurs in my knee. Look at that.
That's a good spur.
That's a really good spur, Ellie.
Yeah.
We're sitting here in the shooting house, pouring rain. Ellie sees 2 more gobblers coming up, and they are beating the tar out of my decoy. I don't know if there they are, right out there, right over my shoulder. They are going to town on my poor little old Jake out there. They beat him down. All right, we're headed through the hunting club, headed to the house. Fortunately, things went like we hoped they would, and we're getting out of here. Hope to get out of here ahead of some of the more severe storms this afternoon. But wanted to do a little clip. One of my favorite turkey hunters, Philip Culpepper, always does a section called a little bit called "Why He Did What He Did," and he tells why he believes the gobbler he killed did what it did. Well, I'm going to spin that a little bit, and I'm going to talk about why we did what we did. Today was forecast to be rainy, as it's doing right now, with thunderstorms, and it's following the script. And we had a hunch that this is a youth hunt, so these birds haven't been pressured yet at all. And birds like to come out in the open when it's raining, don't they? So we knew where a pretty good spot was, we felt like, and we set up in the open with full intentions that the birds at some point would come out there in the open while it was raining. Did it work?
Yes.
It worked. It worked like a champ. It took a little while for one to come out there, but we finally ended up the one she killed, and then we had 2 more gobblers come in and attack our Jake decoy for I eventually had to scare them off before we had a break in the rain. I had 6 hens come in there, see what was going on, but we did what we did because of the weather, and it worked. Way to go, Ellie.